Hi friends, this is Exams Daily YouTube channel. Now I am here to tell about an information which is released by National Health Mission Madhya Pradesh. Before going this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and click the bell button for more updates. Here this is the notification which is released by National Health Mission Madhya Pradesh. You can download this notification from the official website of National Health Mission Madhya Pradesh. This is the roll book for recruitment which is under the contractual district and block level vacant position. In this roll book, overall information is given. Kindly go through this very carefully. First of all, what are the positions under this recruitment which is given here? First one is a block program manager. For this post, totally 1 to 4 vacant will be allocated. For the post, the name of block account manager, total number of vacancies 32 which is allocated. And the third posting, the block community mobilizer. For this post, 90 vacant will be allocated. The district hospital accountant, overall 12 vacancies which we allocated for this post. Here the count will be 258 for this post. Second, the recruitment process details are given here under the different posts. First, the block program manager. Here this is the essential educational qualification detail. If you are applying for this job, you must complete MBA or PG degree in health or hospital management or administration. Otherwise, you have completed PG DM or PG DBA, and you must complete minimum 1 year degree in computers. And essential work experience for this post is 2 years of the relevant experience in a health sector or public health program. For the post of block accountant manager, the educational qualification is BCom or MCom or MBA, or otherwise you have completed PG DBA or PGDM in finance. Here also you must complete a 1 year degree in computers. Here also the working experience is needed. You have 2 years of experience in accounting, out of which at least 1 year in a health sector. For the post block community mobilizer, the educational qualification is MSW or MA in sociology or MA in social science. Otherwise you must complete in PG degree or in diploma in rural development. Here also the computer qualification is needed. You must complete 1 year degree in computers. Here also work experience is needed. At least you have 2 years of experience in familiarity with having worked in the community health worker development programs. And for the post of district hospital accountant, the educational qualification is you must complete BCom or MCom or MBA. Otherwise PGDBA or PGDM. Here also you complete 1 year degree in computers. You have also 2 years of experience in relevant in accounting, out of which at least 1 year in a health sector. Here this is the important instructions for this post recruitment. The online application will be received from the date of February 10, 2021. Here the last date is mentioned, that is 25/2/2021. And some other information is given. You must read carefully before you are going to apply this post. And then age limit for this post is at least you have 21 years to 40 years. And some relaxation for beyond SC, ST, OBC and women under-reserved categories. And some clarification for educational details such as you must pass 10th certificate or mark sheet shall be valid. And then this is the selection process detail. The examination and selection process shall be done in completely fair and transparent manner only. There is no possibility to give any benefit by overlooking the process by any individual. For the selection of the above mentioned positions, the MCQ based on online written test, that is OWT, shall be conducted for all the candidates eligible as per the advertised by Strategic Alliance Management Service Private Limited. The question paper for the examination shall comprise of 100 MCQ question with the option of 4 answers. Each question shall be 1 mark. Here this is the detail for a selection process and written examination. You must read this. And this is a document verification process detail. Kindly go through this very carefully. And some important instructions are given here. Here the detailed information of the vacant post at district and block level. The posting place it in the block level for program manager and block level for block account manager and block level of block community mobilizer, and district level it will be for district hospital accountant. Here the caste wise separation for the post for block manager, and here the separation for block community mobilizer, and this is the separation for block account manager. Kindly go through this. Here this is the subject for online questions under the different posters. Kindly go through this before you are going to preparing. Here some roles and responsibilities is given for the post. You must read. These are all the information given in the rule book. Kindly go through this rule book before you are going to applying for this post. We will provide this link in a description box. Kindly go through this. All the best.